Hello everyone! Welcome to another exciting video from my channel. Today, I'll teach you how to combine text and images in Canva like a pro. Stick around, because by the end of this tutorial, your designs will look stunning. Alright, let's dive right in. Step 1. Setting up the canvas first. Go to Canva and select the Instagram post template. To make our design pop, we'll use an image of a jumping girl. You can find one easily on Canva or FreePic. I'm using Canva to find the image. Just go to Elements and search for Jumping Girl. Once you find a good one, adjust the size properly to fit your canvas. Pro tip: make sure your image is clear and vibrant to catch attention. Step 2. Creating the shadow effect. Next, duplicate the image and go to Edit. Select the duotone effect, then click Custom and set the highlight color to black with transparency at 50%. After that, go to Edit again, select Blur, and set the intensity to 50. Once done, position the blurred image and send it to the back layer. Wow! Doesn't that shadow effect look amazing? Let's keep the momentum going. Step 3. Adding text with style. Now it's time to add some text. Go to Text and choose Bold Text. Adjust its size to your liking, and then go to Effects. Select the shadow effect and customize it with the following settings. Transparency, 80%. Blur, 50. Direction, 86. Offset, 50. Pick a color that complements your image and send the text to the back layer. Your text is now popping. Let's make it even more dynamic. Step 4. Creating a multilayered text effect. Duplicate the text and write another word. Position it carefully, and then duplicate it again to add a third word, sending each layer to the back. Now comes the exciting part, creating a letter-by-letter color change. Duplicate the text and focus on one letter at a time. Change the color of each letter individually, and send it to the back after each change. Continue this process until you've colored all the letters, making the last letter slightly smaller for a unique effect. That's how you make your text stand out. Ready for the final touch. Step 5. Final adjustments. To complete the design, duplicate the model image and adjust it smoothly over the text to give a layered look. Change the background color and text shadow color to make the final design look even more professional. Once you're happy with your design, download it as a PNG. And just like that, your amazing text and image combination is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more creative tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. It's going to be even more fun. Bye-bye.